Hello class, my name is third class Hayden Hendricks and this is my fluids demonstration. So we're going to start off this demonstration with a piece of paper here. Now if I hold the piece of paper up here and I let it go, gravity is going to take effect and it's going to go downwards. But if I blow atop the piece of paper, notice the paper tends to stay upwards. That's because air is a fluid, and as a velocity moves over an object, it causes this thing known as the Bernoulli's effect, which is if the object has two velocities going through it, that object's going to tend to move towards that faster velocity. We know this to be true because of the Bernoulli's equation. So it states basically as velocity decreases, the pressure increases, and vice versa. As the pressure decreases, the velocity increases. And we can derive it from our equation here as well. So I have a picture here where we have our piece of paper in the middle and it has two equal velocities and equal pressures on both sides acting on the paper. Well, since velocities are both equal and the pressures are both equal, gravity is going to take a factor into it and it's going to cause the paper to go downwards because the paper has nowhere to move. But if we go down here where we have a constant velocity on the top and a velocity of 0 on the bottom, this is going to cause the paper to move upwards. That's because there's lower pressure here, and so the higher pressure from down below is going to push upwards on the paper. So I have a quick demonstration here as well, a mini makeshift helicopter here. So when I drop it down, theoretically, it should spin based on our equation. So it does spin because that's how actual helicopter works. We have a propeller blade that is slanted, so when a constant velocity is moving towards it, it splits off into two directions. Since it's slanted, there's going to be a faster velocity moving atop of it than it is on the bottom. And so this propeller blade is going to tend to move closer to that faster velocity, which is what causes that helicopter to gain its lift. Thank you for your time.